Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will show you how to buy a Target gift card online. We will also put links in the description below for great offers from various retail stores. To start, open the website target.com. Then click on Sign In. On the side menu, you will see another Sign In option. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or mobile phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for categories at the upper left part of the screen. Click on Categories. On the side menu, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. Under Gift Cards is an option for Target gift cards. Click on Target gift cards. Now, select a theme of the gift card. Next, browse and look for the particular design you wish to get. After that, click on the Add to Cart button under the gift card you prefer. On the side menu, select the value and delivery method. Then click on the Add to Cart button. If you wish to add more, click on Continue Shopping. Otherwise, click on View Cart and Checkout. On this page, review your cart. If you've already added everything you need to buy, click on Continue to Checkout. Lastly, review your shipping address and select a payment method. After that, click on Place Your Order. That's how you buy a Target gift card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.